In today's video I want to show you guys how you can fix internet or ping problems in Steam and how you can faster make your download faster. Okay, for the first time we go into the search bar and here we look for the control panel. So click on this, and when we are here we go under network and internet on view network status and tasks. So click on this and then we come to this menu, and here we see our connection. I'm connected with Ethernet right now. So, and after that we click on change adapter settings, and here we have our connection. Right click on it, and then you can disable it. Wait like 1 or 2 seconds and then you can enable it again. You also do this with your Wi-Fi router to completely restart your Wi-Fi. After that we can click on diagnose, and here we have many tips and tricks from Windows we can follow. And after that we get right click on it again, go on properties, and here on Internet Protocol version 4, properties again. And then we click use the following DNS server addresses, and then here we have the preferred DNS server. This is 8888 and the alternative DNS server is 8844. Click on OK, close this, and after that you have to restart your PC that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.